Hey everyone, welcome to Sarait Beauty. I'm so excited to be sharing my first video with you guys, and it is all about Miss Kylie Jenner with Kyliecostmetics. I did a couple looks for you guys just so you can see the versatility for this palette. It's for some it could be a little bit too bold, but there's a lot of different combos you can do with the colors, so I was really excited. I did not purchase the whole collection. I did get the Sipping Pretty, which is the palette, and it's nice and sleek and not too bulky. It has the names on the back as well, which I was loving. I did get the, sorry guys, this is the Champagne Showers, which is called Get Lit Pressed Highlighter. And then last but not least, I did get one of the, let's see if I can get it to focus, one of the lipsticks, and this is Rager. This is one of the lipsticks that I have on today. I only did get one lipstick because, like I said, I was a little skeptical because I have purchased Kyliecostmetics before and I was not a fan. I'm being 1000 with you guys. But I was like, let me give this a shot. Alright guys, let's go ahead and dive in for the first one. And this is the Sipping Pretty palette. Let's just go ahead and talk about the packaging. I'm a sucker for packaging. I feel like if it draws my attention, I'm going to go for it. And that is the reason why I actually even bought this collection, was because of the design of the packaging itself. I thought it was super cute. I love all her pictures on it. She's gorgeous in my opinion, so I just love it. I like how she has little metallics on the back and how this is, sorry it's blinding you. I just thought it was great. Now the size of the palette I think was great. It's a safe, it's not too big, it's not too small. I think it would be great to travel with. So as far as the size, I love it. Now, let's go ahead and go into the palette. It does have the glitter, you can kind of see the texture of Sipping Pretty, which I thought was super cute. The glitter does come off a little bit, but it doesn't bother me. Now, if I was maybe traveling with it and it got all over my clothes, I might be a little upset, but I usually put my makeup in a bag, so that's just me. It's black, it's sleek. You can see her Kylie Jenner on there. I love it. Pink, black. I think it's safe. I do like it. And then going in, you do get a big mirror, as you can see, which I need. The mirror also is not super cheap. It doesn't look like all... Have you ever gotten those palettes where it's like, it looks like it's almost like plastic or something? It's not one of those. It's sturdy. It's nice. And then we get to the eyeshadows. I'm so sorry it's messy, but as you can tell, I've been really playing with this palette just to see what my true opinion is about it. So I'm just going to talk to you a little bit about what it says. So Sipping Pretty, I'm sorry I'm looking down, it is retailed for $65. It has 21 eyeshadows, 21. And each of the eyeshadows are 8.85 grams, or you could say 0.003 ounces. Now, I will say that... for the price, I don't think it's too bad, because if you kind of compare it to Anastasia's, I believe she only comes out with like 14 eyeshadows, I think it's 44. So I actually don't think this palette was super expensive. I feel like it was reasonable. And what I like, it comes with 12 matte eyeshadows, 8 metallics, and 1 satin shade. Now you can kind of see what I'm most impressed with is her matte eyeshadows. I have purchased Kyliecostmetics in the past and I was very upset. This was when she first came out with her collection, but I was very hesitant of wanting to try her products again. But like I said, I was a sucker for packaging, so I just went ahead and tried it. And I'm really glad I did, because I really, really love this palette. Like, I love it. I love it because of the fact that you can do so many looks, as you can tell. Now, I will swatch a couple of them. But back to the mattes. The reason why I am so impressed with them is because, one, it says on it that they are medium buildable coverage with a velvety smooth texture, and I believe them to be true. I was, first, before I even put them on my eyes, I was swatching them, and I will right now on just some of the mattes. And they are very pigmented. Now, when I swatch it like this, that one's really, really good. But the brown, I was like, oh man, like this is going to be an epic fail, as you can see. But don't let that fool you. because I was already judging it before I even put it on my eyes. I was like, this is going to be a waste of time. I shouldn't have wasted my money, but it actually works really well. Now, sorry, I'm trying to wipe my hands off. I like it because when I was building the color, I would tap it, and sometimes when you tap it and you start to blend it out, if you try to pack more on, it starts to diffuse or it starts to look blotchy. I did not have that issue whatsoever. I thought it was really easy to build. The colors mixed together really well without it getting muddy or a weird color. So I was really impressed. The neon pink, that is really tough. It actually is super pigmented and it goes on great on the eyes. Yeah, I love the mattes. Now, one eyeshadow that I would do without, but the good thing is it's only one eyeshadow. It is this one right here, which is RSVP. And I just don't like it. But one eyeshadow out of the whole palette, it's like you can't really see it. I don't know. It didn't do anything for me. Like, I tried to play with it and I did include it in one of my looks and you'll see. But, I think it needed a little bit more of a punch to it, you know? I will say these don't have that much kickback. It does have a little bit, and I will kind of demonstrate what I am talking about. Just gonna take an eyeshadow, and if you can see, I'm gonna go in with one of the mattes. So not too much, see? I do feel like, for instance, a comparison is to the Anastasia because I have a ton of her palettes. Those have a lot more kickback. They're very pigmented, but you end up going through an eyeshadow so quickly if you are trying to, you have to be very delicate. This one, I was pretty rough. I was really doing the most, let's just say, and it's great. I cannot stop raving about this. Like, it has your warm tones, you have a black in there, you have metallics, you have pinks, you have these taupey colors. Like, I love this palette, okay? I'm impressed. Kylie, you did a great job. Yay for you. Okay, next, let's go to the highlighter. It is called Champagne Showers. Here is the cute packaging. Like I said, it has the glitter on it. I'm a sucker for packaging. Again, the metallic. And then let me get it. This one, the actual packaging, it's pretty simple. It's just kind of like her other packaging. It's okay. It's silver on there. But here's this. Again, there is a mirror. The mirror's pretty big, so if you needed it, if you were doing your makeup and you don't want to use the big one, you could do this. That totally works. Now this one is light champagne gold, and it's retail for $28, and it's 0.46 ounces. Okay. The quality is good. Is it the super like beaming highlighter? Not in my opinion. I've had other ones that are pretty like out there. To me, I could do without this. If I was to suggest anything in this, I would definitely suggest the palette. With the highlighters, if you do have like Champagne Pop, or if you have any Becca highlighter, to be honest with you, or even the like Laura Geller, those are all just as good as this one, maybe even better. But this one, I mean, if you are just wanting it for the collection, you're just a big Kylie fan, then go for it. But as far as like saying that I'm obsessed with it, I'm gonna show you right here. Like, I just don't see it being anything that amazing. Not knocking it, but it's just not my favorite. Alright guys, and then last but not least, I have the lipstick Rager. The packaging, like I said, I am obsessed with. Her picture is super cute. Right there, Rager. This is this one right here, the packaging. Just a solid purple with her name on it. And here is the lipstick. It says it is a full coverage hydrating matte bright coral. Now, as far as it being a coral, I would say it's like a warm red. I'm not going to say it's true coral, because to me, when I think of coral, it looks more orangey, which I wish it was. But I still really like the, I do think it's full coverage. I do think it's very hydrating. It's not making me feel like I have super dry lips. Only thing is, like, as you can see in the middle, I have a little blotchy spot, which I don't understand why, but it's not too bad. So I do like the lipsticks. I am a traditional type of lipstick girl. I would prefer to wear a regular lipstick than a liquid lipstick, which I know everybody kind of goes towards the liquid lipsticks now, which is totally fine. Everybody has its own opinion and what their preference is, but I do really like the lipsticks. So lipsticks are good for me. I even feel like I wouldn't have to necessarily wear a lip liner. I still would, just to be on the safe side, but I feel like it would stay placed as long as you're not like going crazy, you know, or eating a big old juicy cheeseburger. Alright guys, so that is my conclusion with these products from Kylie Cosmetics. I am so excited. I love this palette so much. I'm pretty obsessed with it. I am excited. I'm going to be trying out more of her palettes now because of the quality of the eyeshadows. So I hope you guys enjoyed to see the different looks that I came up with. I try to show you guys a little bit of how this palette can be so versatile. So just keep watching. Thank you so much, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and share. Bye!